this is for pad see ew, like a thick noodle, you see. And this one, this is when they bring it to boil, it curls up, you know, more like a, you know, Vietnamese style, you know, pho, you know, pho, yeah, similar, the roll. When you boil it, it curls up like roll. We make it soup broth with pork or chicken too, for example. But this is for pad thai, this is a wonton. You can fry them or you wrap with pork and steam, you know, dumplings. You have this in China. Yeah. You know, actually, the pad thai, the inspiration of pad thai, Thailand, we got idea from China.
Yeah.
Chinese has noodle. In the past, Thai people didn't know how to make a noodle. So we got the idea of noodle and we came to the ingredient in Thailand. You know, we create the stir fry noodle because a lot back to 100 years ago, more almost like a soup, but not stir fry. A lot of things we have from China, curry from India. We don't use the good coffee. It's an inspiration. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the one we use at home. Especially in pad thai sauce, it's so wonderful with that. So sweet and nice. You don't have, you can use this one. But today, as you're in Thailand, we use this one. And this is garlic. So this one we import from China. Yeah. And this is the grow in Thailand. We can Thai garlic. You see, the clove is so small. You see that? Clove smaller, and this is a bigger. You don't have. You can use any of them, but a lot of people say the small one has more tastier. You know. This is a bitter gourd, bitter cucumber. You see? You ever cook with this? So in Thailand, we can make soup and stir fry with it. So when we use it, you have to cut and take the inside out. This is bitter. Oh. So when prepared, after you cut, you prepare, you should soak them in the salt water, like salt and water to help make it less bitter.